Hello friends, welcome to Monotech Sounds. Today we are going to discuss some macros, how to use macros in Audacity. So it is very important and very easy also, and very much useful also for all beginners and advanced people. Let's go. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Monotech Sounds. Today we are going to discuss macros in Audacity. First of all, let us understand what is this macros and use of macros in Audacity. Macros in Audacity are used to automate repetitive tasks in your audio editing workflow. They allow you to apply a sequence of efforts track with a single action. For example, you can create a macro to automatically normalize, compress, or export file without manually performing each step. So today in this video, we'll try to understand how to do these macros or how to create macros and how to apply on a clip of audio. Okay, first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to record a clip, audio clip, and that we're going to work on macros. Yeah, I'm going to click here for recording audio. Friends, macros in Audacity are used to automate repetitive tasks in your audio editing workflow. They allow you to apply a sequence of efforts or commands to multiple files or track with a single action. Okay, so this is a clip. If I see here from the beginning, there are 2 seconds of time is available in this. If you see here this part around this blank part, you may be having some noise recorded in this, and so that you need to know how much time it is been recorded this noise here. Okay, before these macros, first of all, you should understand what is the sequence that you want to apply for this audio editing. Okay, say for example, in my audio editing, any clip like this, okay, generally I will be having a process or sequence. First, which effects I have to apply, and next what, and next what, and next what. The sequence you should understand, and before that, you should know the name of the effects so that we can search that effects and include in macros. Include in the macros. Let us go. What I will do first, I will have to remove the noise. Number one point, and number two, I want to have a EQ. Okay, maybe using filter curve EQ. That's number two. In the filter curve EQ also, I have two type of EQs that I will select from presets. Something like I can select from either 100 Hz rumble or bass boost, and then treble boost, whatever that, whatever whichever that I'm generally use, that I'm going to use in the macros. Okay, I will include in the macros. Next effect, say for example, I'm taking here from the volume and compression that I'm taking limiter. Okay, that's it. So these functions I'm generally using. I'm just taking very less functions so that it is easy to understand how to include these in macros. First, I want to create a macro. Then I can apply on this. So I'm going to the tools, okay, and then macro manager. If I go to macro manager, I will see this kind of window. There are already some macros are being created. Some are created by Audacity and some are created by user like me or you. But now I'm going to create a new option, new macro. So then you have to click on new, and you have to give the name of the macro so that you can save in that name. I'm giving here some like testing. This is my macro name. Okay, click on OK here, and you will see this window like this. Okay, there will be one option here called 01 and end. It is selected all the time, and click on insert. When I click on insert, there are so many options came, or effects or sound effects. So which one I have to apply first? First, I want to select for noise cancellation. So what I'm doing, I press N from the keyboard and I'm searching for select option. I can see here select option, right? You select this option and click on edit parameters. I want to select from the beginning from 0 to 1 second area, so that from that I can take a profile of the noise. Click on OK here, and then now click on OK here also, so that one option came here. So end is selected all the time. Click on insert this time, and this time select noise reduction page. In that, what you have to select generally, that I'm going to do now. Edit, click on get noise profile from that selected area. Okay, I select this area and then click OK. So then the second option came here. This end is already selected. Click on insert, and this time I'm going to remove the noise by using the noise reduction option. Okay, select noise reduction, here it is. Click on edit parameters and simply you select here whatever the measurement dBs that you want. You can select and click on OK, and here also you click on OK, so that that function is added here in the macros. So next I'm going to add EQ. Okay, so this end is like this, and click on insert, and here I'm selecting filter curve EQ. Select that filter curve EQ and select edit parameters. Here I want to select from the presets, factory presets, and I want to select treble burst. And it is selected here. Click on apply, because I want to apply this effects on my voice. Apply. Okay, and here it is OK, so that this option came here. And last, I want to add limiter. Insert, and here edit parameters. You can select any parameters from here. Here I'm selecting something like -3. Okay, and click on apply. Click on OK here, and that also came in the limiter. So all these things are there in testing macro. I'm going to save this part. Click on close option. Instead of going one by one by selecting effect and everything here, so what I'll do, I'll simply go for select here all, go for tools, go to the apply macros, and you have created one macro in the name of testing. Okay, you can select that, and it has been applied on your audio. Simple, done. It's been applied on your audio. Okay, so say for example, if you want to apply another macro, simply go to the tools, and here you can select apply macro, and you can select something like new. See, that is applied. Okay, and you want to apply any other things, so just go to the tools and select apply macro, select whatever you like, that is been applied here. Okay, like the way you can create a number of macros or a number of effects in single macro, and you can apply on your clip in a single click. That's how the macros is going to work. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, share and like. We will meet again in next video. Thanks for watching.